How to change Shopify store name and URL. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up your Shopify account and after that click on the settings at the bottom left hand side corner and wait for it to load. After that, under store details, you will be able to find your profile settings. Just click on edit over here and you will be able to see your store name. Just change it and after that save it up. Just click on save in order to save it, and this way you will be able to change the name of your store. But I don't want to do it, so I'm just discarding it. And in order to change your URL, just click on domains and after that you will be able to find this option of change to a new myshopify.com domain. Click on it, provide the change name that you want to change it to and click on add domain, and this way you would be able to change it. But make sure that you are doing it for the first time, as you won't be able to change it more than once. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.